Hi. Hey guys, so this is a video on this look. I'm getting together with a couple of friends that are like sisters to me. Yeah, other than that, there's nothing really to address about the look. I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hi everyone, so we're about halfway through the breakdown here. So I'm doing fine now. At the time I found it, I was crying about something specific. So that's why you might see my eyes red or something. But I wanted to film this video because I thought maybe other people are out there like me who think they're fucked. Maybe we're not fucked, you know? So I used Top, Orgy, and the top left shadow, the very lightest one in the Orgy palette. And then I used some Makeup Revolution crushed pearls. The names of them will be down in the description because I don't remember, honestly. But I used those over top of the NYX Glitter Glue. And then I used the JD Glow Glitter Tube in Orgasmic, I think it is. The definitive name will be down in the description either way. I wanted something that you couldn't really tell if I cried it off because I knew I figured hanging out with my friends, I'm going to be talking about, you know, stuff that's been going on with me or how my emotions have been. So I'd be crying, and I was right. So about halfway through this, I took a break because I thought I need to get it together. I need to finish this. I took a break and I took a breath and kind of stopped crying. Started crying again when I was already finished, but at that point I was already done, so it was like, honestly, fuck it, YOLO at that point. But I said, if I take any photos and there's tear streaks down my face, which there was, unfortunately, I'm just going to Photoshop them out. And I did. So I'm just applying that Makeup Revolution Crushed Pearl Pigment. They're actually really pretty. I don't know why people don't like Makeup Revolution. Like, I guess I've never really used their eyeshadows. I hear they're pretty shit, but I like their pigments and foundation. I use a couple of their products. I don't think they're fucking shit ass at all. Everyone makes it sound like they're so shit ass, and I just don't get it. But whatever. I used the light white one on the inner corner for a nice pop of highlight. And I just continued blending. I went back and forth between the pigment and the eyeshadow from the Orgy palette. I hadn't used the Orgy palette until now, honestly. I haven't really been doing my makeup. But it's good. Yeah, it's a matte eyeshadow palette. Also, I wanted to mention that I know that my hair looks hella greasy, but I didn't shower with a shower cap on, so it got a little wet in the shower. So, just take that to your, put that in your pipe and smoke it, you know. So I'm just applying that JD Glow Glitter Tube. I like these as well. I would like to try more JD Glow products. I think they're pretty. And I like this glitter tube. I get a lot of use out of it. And I also call my mom to talk to her, call the loved one, to kind of talk through my problems. And she was making me laugh and stuff, so that was another way I kind of stopped crying. But I put on wing liner. I'm not not a fan of wing liner. I just find like it kind of takes away from a makeup look that you just did all this blending on and then have a sharp line through it. I don't know if that's just me, but regardless, I did do wing liner on this look. I thought, let me give her a go. And it was all fine and everything. I just thought it would look a little pretty blended out on the outer corner with the darkest shadow of the Orgy palette, which is what I did. So I'm using an eye Kohl from Sephora. This is I think it's Infinite Beige. I like this one. I just really need to sharpen it, but it's nice. I find it lasts for, a good amount of time. And it's comfortable. I find that is very important because I find a lot of long-lasting pencils or other type of eye products, they sting my eyes kind of, but regardless. I used the YSL Touche Eclat primer as well as the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. And I had already taken my break at this point, so I'm going ahead and I decided to turn on some fun music, dance, and just try to forget whatever was going through my mind. So I tend not to wet my beauty blenders or any sponges that I use, but I was using the Juno & Co. SpongeBob microfiber sponges. I don't know if those are required to be wet because I honestly did not enjoy them that much. I find them to be pulling on the skin. Like, it didn't feel like they were applying the makeup. It felt like it was lifting it. And it just felt a little tuggy, so to speak. So I don't know, I'm gonna give them a go, but just in this application, I wasn't the biggest fan of them. And then I'm putting some shadow under the eye to define the lash line. I didn't want to wear bottom lashes. Once again, gonna be crying, gotta take that into consideration. So applying the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I really like this one. I like the longevity of it on my skin. I went ahead and blended that out. And then I used the white Conceal and Define foundation under my eyes. Set it with MAC Studio Fix powder. And set the under eye with the white MAC Studio Fix powder. And then I went ahead and used the Luminous Jeffree Star Magic Star powder for the finishing of the skin, and then went ahead into bronzing with the Marc Jacobs Omega Tan and the Juvia's Place Saharan blush. I used the orange color, and then I went over it with Danessa Myricks highlighter in light, and then did some spot highlighting with ice after spraying my face with the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. So I just wanted to get those products out there before I forgot them later into the video. But yeah. I want to do a shop my stash video where I use products that I haven't really used in a while because I always tend to use the same thing. However, I find I don't honestly do my makeup often. I don't really do my makeup at all, really. So you know, a situation like this where I wanted to, I was getting together with people who either aren't working or, you know, work from home. So we're all quarantined in our own situation. So I knew I was safe to go there. But otherwise, I don't really go anywhere. But truth be told, that didn't really change. So I'm using that Omega Tan bronzer by Marc Jacobs. I think I've said this a million times before, but I don't like any stark lines on my face. I like it to be all very soft. So I bronze around the perimeter of my face, right in front of my ear. I bring a little bit onto the cheek and under the cheek. And I bronze the forehead and the under the double chin. I find that really helps for a large face. If you have definition in your face, using sharper lines might work for you. But when you don't have definition in your face, it kind of just looks like literal lines. So anyway, regardless, I use the Urban Decay setting spray and all-nighter. And then I'm going over it with the Danessa Myricks Enlight powder in light. And then, as I mentioned, doing the spot concealing with the ice highlighter. I also used the Cognac Fenty Diamond Balm on the bronze part of my face, on the forehead, and a little bit on the cheeks. Because I like the bronze part of my face to have highlight as well too. I just think it looks more realistic than having highlighter in one specific place. I like to use two separate highlighters. Going ahead and doing some mascara. And then I'm going to chuck on some lashes, chuck on some Mannequin and Skin Tight liquid lipstick, and a lip gloss color I do not remember that I will put in the description for sure. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all really doing well. If you ever need to talk, I'm always here. You can find me on Instagram. I leave the link in the description. But I just wanted you guys to know that genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, I am here for you. You're not alone. And together we will get through this. Bye, guys.